Hi guys, it's Sophie and Izzy, and as you can see it has been snowing. Just gonna spin round.
Round, get around.
I just realised you got your scarf all the way up over your face.
Yeah.
It is really cold. I've got a jumper on and this big cosy thing and it's absolutely freezing. The goose has followed us around the back. I got some video of him round the front. Oh my god, it's so deep. I got a video of him round the front and he was having a bath in the snow, so I'm going to include that. And I actually got a video out of the window where it was actually snowing earlier. We need to go back in soon. I've done the washing up already. I'm not sure what we're doing for the rest of the day. We were going to play Hero Quest, but we might not be doing it because everyone feels a bit full of cold.
So, cough again.
Yeah, the disease is reoccurring around the house again, so we might be having a day off, but that means I can go get under some blankets and have another coffee at least. But we've just come out to show you the snow and make some footprints in the snow. Just try not to get it in your socks.
I can always take one layer of socks off.
Yeah, Izzy has like 2 layers of socks on. You can probably see the goose over there actually. There he is. He's followed us around. I keep feeling like I'm getting sunk in the snow, but it's absolutely freezing, so I've just come out to get a few quick pictures. Hello! Come out to get a few quick pictures.
Quick.
And then we are going to head back inside and warm up and have another drink, whatever we're doing. So, there he is. So I'm just going to get a few very, very quick pictures, which I might include at the end of the video. And, oh nice, didn't need to see that, he's just done a poo. Yeah, a few quick pictures to possibly add into the video, and then might be able to edit it this afternoon if we're not too busy. Izzy's just running over. What are you running over for? What?
Saying.
Oh, no. You thought I was saying goodbye? Okay, well, yeah, but for now actually, goodbye for now, and I will edit this video soon and put it all together. Thank you for watching. Look at all the footprints made by the goose. And Izzy. And there is snow absolutely everywhere. Oh, that looks pretty on the logs.
To our back garden, a tray.
I filmed a bit out here earlier when it was actually properly snowing, but it just looks awesome. Are you going to throw a snowball?
Yeah. I missed.
Another train.
God, that was cold.
Well, it's snow, Izzy. Kind of tends to be cold. Just going to head round this way. And, I don't know, just so I can make footprints. But that's the train track over there. You can if you want to. You're going to get really cold feet. Yep. Oh. It looks so nice everywhere. Hello, Goosey. Where am I looking? Oh, yeah, I saw it briefly. He's having a bath in the snow. He's making the snow really mucky. You're making the snow all mucky. You enjoying the weather? Hi guys, we have come back in because it was freezing outside and we've decided against playing the game today. So what we're going to do is just relax, have tea and coffee, play some games, and well, Izzy's going to play some games on her Xbox. I might play some games on my phone or do some online shopping, but just anything that's going to warm us up under some blankets because it is absolutely freezing out there, as you can probably tell by the videos that I'm going to show you in this video, the clips that I'm going to show you in this video. It's really dark at the moment because we've just put the lamps on just to kind of make it a bit more cozy, because I feel like when you have the lamps on and like a little candle lit or something and you got a load of blankets, it just makes it feel so much more cozy when you've been out in the cold. Yeah, we're not playing the game today because we've got the bug that I had earlier. Well, no, not earlier in the month. Last year. Wow. In December, at the beginning of December that has started to make its way back through our household again. So everyone's feeling a little bit meh at the moment and not really into, just spinning my phone around there, and not really into playing the game because it involves a lot of strategy and thinking and talking. So it's not really ideal to do it today. But we get a chance to get warm under a load of blankets, and it means I've got time to do a bit of editing and put my videos together for today. So hopefully I can actually get that uploaded today, which is Sunday. Fingers crossed. Otherwise it'll probably take like 12 hours or something to put together. I think it's probably a longer video because I did get quite a lot of footage. But yeah, just gonna get under some blankets and get comfortable and have coffee and maybe some snacks from my snack box. We'll see. But thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and the amazing looking snow, which is freezing but looks amazing. And if you've had snow where you are as well, please let me know in the comments. Just for context, it is North Yorkshire in the UK, so that's where we are with the snow. But as I was saying, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye for now.
How?
Hmm?
How?
How? Okay. How? How now, brown cow?
Ta-ra.
On that note, goodbye.